Objective, comprehensive calculator. Develop a comprehensive calculator in R that utilizes various types of operators to perform arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment, and miscellaneous operations. Requirements, basic knowledge of R programming, are installed on your system, basic understanding of operators in R. Step-by-step implementation. Step 1. Define arithmetic operations. Implement functions for basic arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus, for which you can see the code below. Step 2. Define relational operations. Implement functions for relational operations greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. Step 3. Define logical operations. Implement functions for logical operations and, or, and not. Step 4. Define assignment operations. Demonstrate the use of assignment operators, simple assignment and compound assignment. Step 5. Define miscellaneous operations. Implement functions for miscellaneous operations, increment and decrement. Step 6. Create interactive menu. Create an interactive menu to allow users to choose the type of operation and input values dynamically. Output. Perform arithmetic operations. Now choose choice number 1 and enter first and second number. Then you have to choose arithmetic operations you have to perform and you get your result. Perform relational operations. Now choose choice number 2 and enter first and second number. Then you have to choose relational operations you have to perform and you get your result. Perform logical operations. Now choose choice number 3 and enter number. Then you have to choose logical operations you have to perform and you get your result. Perform assignment operations. Now choose choice number 4 and enter numbers, and you get your result. Perform miscellaneous operations. Now choose choice number 5 and enter number. Then you have to choose miscellaneous operations you have to perform and you get your result. Last, choose exit. Summary. This project covers the implementation of a comprehensive calculator in R that handles various types of operations. By creating functions for arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment, and miscellaneous operations, and integrating them into an interactive menu, we provide a user-friendly and versatile tool for performing diverse calculations. This project enhances understanding of our programming concepts and the application of different types of operators in a practical, interactive setting.